Okay, they want us to convert from decimal to fraction. So A is 72/100ths. But clearly that is not reduced, right? Because I could divide by 4 for each of these, right? So this becomes 18/25ths as a reduced fraction. For B, you should start to remember the patterns, right? So you know it's 72/99. If it asks how you do it, then you should remember, right? So x would equal 0.72 repeating. We multiply by 100 because 2 digits are repeating. So 100x equals 72.72 repeating. And we subtract, right? So we get 99x equals 72. X equals 72/99, right? Equals, that's an equal sign. And then, of course, we reduce, right? That 9 goes into both of these. 9, 9. So we get 8/11ths, right? For B. This is B. 8/11ths. For C, let's see, I could put that up here, right? For C, we get 175/1000, right? And then what goes into that, right? So into 1000 and into 175, right? 25 goes into both, right? So divided by 25, divided by 25, right? So 25 goes into 175 7 times, and 25 goes into 1000 40 times. So there's C reduced. And then D, you could use the method we used, right here. But you should start to recognize these patterns. So since 3 digits repeat, it's 175/999. If it's 1 digit repeating, it's over 9. If it's 2 digits repeating, it's over 99. If 3 digits is over 999. And now you look what goes into 175 and 999, and nothing. There's no common factors, so we are done.